How to buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. Now, if you open up Shein app here and if you head into the cart option there, here you can see you'll be able to see all your carts and you can head into checkout and you can make the payment. Unfortunately, while heading out into payment, you won't be able to find the Cash App option there directly on the app. Now, there is no any option on the Shein app to make the payment through the Cash App directly. However, what you can do is, as you know, the Shein app accepts the PayPal and it accepts bank account, online banking, and it accepts your debit or credit card or Visa card as well. Now the trick here is, what you can do is you can head into your Cash App and you want to load up some cash into your PayPal account or either your online banking or either your debit or credit card. Now in one of these you can transfer your amount through the Cash App to the either one of these three accounts, either your online banking or your PayPal account or your credit or debit card, and you can go ahead and buy stuff on Shein with those options. So this way you can buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.